Park. Betting is closed, then the race is on. 6-8, Ricky Charlize draws for your lead. Summer Applause moving up to grab the lead. Then racing in third, Blue Jazz, swing it. Baby, moving up on the outside, then followed by Beyond Good, next in line. Above the knee, Simply Elegant, then comes Amiable Layla, followed by runner number 4, Patting Eagle and Humble Princess as they rounded the 600. With Summer Applause enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Blue Jazz in second. Running in between runners is Tricky Charlize running on the outside. Ace and 3, number 9, Beyond Good together is Swing It Baby with Summer Applause enjoying a length and a half lead. Running in second now, Beyond Good, Tricky Charlize. Then on the outside, Swing It Baby, Simply Elegant. Summer Applause still leading the field by about 2 lengths. Beyond Good is running in second. Then comes Tricky Charlize. Summer Applause still leading the field. And finally, Summer Applause. Then comes Beyond Good, Tricky Charlize.
Okay, Summer Applause, the Hadaba crossing the wire first.